Hello friends, welcome to the session of day 12, that is sentence formation. Now what is sentence formation? Why it is important? Dear friends, to speak in English or to write anything we need sentence, right? So we need to form the sentence. And why sentence formation important? Because to speak in English or to write anything in English, we need sentences. And what is the sentence? Sentence is the combination of meaningful words which are arranged in a proper way. That means in a systematic way. So we have the words and the words has to be arranged in a systematic manner. And when we arrange those words in systematic manner, that is called a sentence. Now, how to arrange these words in a systematic manner? So, number one, the words should be meaningful. Number two, the words has to be arranged in a systematic manner. And today we are going to know that what are the meaningful words we should use for a sentence to get a meaningful sentence. And in the same way, how to arrange those meaningful words in a proper manner, that is in a systematic manner, to form a meaningful sentence. All right, as we know that we can form a positive sentence, we can form a negative sentence, as well as we can form interrogative sentences. These are most important sentences. These are the categories of most important form of sentences, right? So even there are exclamatory sentence. So there are multiple number of sentences. Whereas today we are going to learn three basic types of sentences and how to form those sentences. First one is positive sentence. And what is positive sentence? Which gives a positive feeling. That means you are not adding not or no. No and not, which we use for negative sentence. All right. And coming to interrogative sentence, we use that for making questions. There are two types of questions, that is yes or no type and also informative type, that is descriptive type, right? So how to form the sentence to get these types of sentences? All right, so let us understand now. First, we have seen here subject, verb, object, right? And we could also see here subject, verb, not object, and verb, subject, object, and question word, verb, subject, object. Before that, we have seen sentence formation, and these are the basic types of sentences. All right, this is positive sentence where you can get subject plus verb plus object. Now, what is verb? We have seen verb is the work. That is in another video. If you need more information about that, you please go through the description where I have given all the links of this basic English grammar. All right, if you have not gone through that, please go through that and you can come to today's day 12 session. And one more thing, dear friends, whatever you learn today, this is the most important topic, and you should understand as well as you should practice this in your daily routine. When we form sentence, we no need to just keep it in writing or in the video. You should make a habit of using that in your daily practice. All right, then only you can improve. It is helpful both for spoken English as well as written English. And if you are preparing for any exams or written exams, in that case also, this sentence formation helps you a lot. All right. Now, coming to the positive sentence, we use subject, verb, and object. All right. Then coming to negative sentence, negative is especially not. So this is the type of negative sentence. We use subject, verb, object. In between that, we will have the not. For negative sentence, we use subject plus verb plus not plus object. And this is interrogative. Interrogative is nothing but question type. Alright? Asking question. For that, we use verb. Verb comes first. After the subject, then plus object. Alright? This is like for yes or no type question. And is coming to, this is also interrogative sentence, and here it comes question word plus verb plus subject plus object, and this is for descriptive. All right, this is for descriptive. As I said, there are two types of questions. One is yes or no. The answer comes yes or no. Today we are going to understand only the basic sentences, basic type of sentence. What is basic type of sentence? The sentence which is not having main verb. Alright, that means we are having only auxiliary verbs in the sentence. So, what are the auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verb in present tense is, am, are. In past tense, was, were, and in future tense, we use will be, shall be. Alright, let us make sentences using these auxiliary verbs to understand the simple sentence formation. Make a few simple sentences, that is using now first subject. Subject can be I, and for I we use am, I am, and object is am a doctor. Alright. Now, what is subject? Subject refers to who. Who, that is noun or pronoun. A name of a person, or instead of name, what we use, that is pronoun. Alright. So, I is the pronoun instead of noun. Instead of the name of a person we use, right? So, here subject we use noun or pronoun. Okay. In subject we use noun or pronoun. In verb, main verb or auxiliary verb. Main verb or auxiliary verb. Object is again noun, pronoun. Object we can see noun, pronoun, and adjective. So a remaining part of this subject and verb will have everything as the object part. Alright. So we have seen the present tense. I am a doctor. Am is here for present tense. So this is present tense. Okay. If you want to make it past tense, what you can do? I was a doctor. That means in the past tense. Alright. So in future tense, if you want to do, I shall be. Basically we use shall for first person. First person is I singular, that is, and we is plural, that is first person. For that we use shall be for the future sentences. And coming to negative sentence, subject again I, verb, if it is present tense, am, if it is past tense, was, and if it is future, shall. I am not a doctor, that is present tense. I am not a doctor, that is in present tense. I was not a doctor, that is past tense. And I shall not be a doctor, that is in future tense. So why shall not be means shall be is there, right? Shall be, we cannot tell we shall be not, I shall be not. So that would be a bit wrong. So what you can say, I shall not be a doctor. Coming to interrogative, for the yes or no, first comes verb. So verb is here, we are using am. So am, subject is I am I a doctor? Am I a doctor? Here what happens for the interrogative sentence, the verb comes first. Alright, that is for yes or no type. It is am I a doctor? And coming to interrogative descriptive. In descriptive, in one of the video, I have given you WH type of questions and the question tags, that is question words. What, when, why, how long, how far, how much, all this I have given. If you go through the link which I have given in the description, video link. Alright. Now let us understand. I can mention any type here. Why? Why? Verb is am. Why am I a doctor? That's a descriptive type. Why am I a doctor? So I need to explain that. It is not yes or no type. Only for yes or no type you can say, you can ask, am I a doctor? Or if you want to give for are. So here we can mention as, if it is are you? Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? For you we use are, right? That's the reason we have to use are as the verb. You are. You are a doctor. Okay? You are a doctor, and that is positive sentence. And for the negative sentence, you is the subject. Subject is noun or pronoun, name or instead of name. So you are not a doctor, right? You are not a doctor. And for future, you will not. You will not be a doctor, right? If you don't study hard, you will not be a doctor. Positive is, you are a doctor, positive. You are not a doctor is negative. And are you a doctor is interrogative, that is yes or no. Yes or no. Are you a doctor? Yes. Are you a doctor? No. So as the same way you can use is. He is my brother. Positive sentence. He is my brother or she is my sister. Negative. He is not my brother. And interrogative. Is he my brother? Here it comes. Is auxiliary verb. Is he my brother? Yes or no? Okay. So question tag. This is question word. You can use how long, how far, and how much. All these are coming. So you can go through that in the description. This is about formation of sentences. Yeah, friends. If you need in class, you can just join my membership level 4 to get direct online live session with me. All right. Dear friends, these videos not only for viewing, you need to follow that, practice that, as well as you can share with your friends, and you can give a like if you like this video, as well as subscribe the channel to get my video as and when I upload. Okay, dear friends, that's all for today. Let us see you in the day 13. Right? See you in the next session.
If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with others so that they also can learn. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel so that you will get everyday new tips on this